Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road. Today we're talking about the R10S, which yesterday we were talking about the R10 series. That was the E, this is the S. There's some better features with this one. So you have a harder outer shell bag. You have a solid steel brush roll, which is great for better agitation. It's going to last a lot longer. This one is a clip dock bag, so it only takes HEPA bags, but there is a very nice carrying handle. So if you have steps, this is just a tad bit heavier than the R10E, but these are both extremely lightweight, heavy duty, good vacuums for all of your carpet. This does have a plush squeegee on it, so if you want to use this for the hardwood floors, it is compatible. Unlike the R10E, it's not, but the R10 is. And this does have a 2-speed motor, low speed for area rugs and hardwood floors, and the second speed is for your tough cleaning. If you guys have any questions about this, give us a call.